Hello. Today's topic of my speech is development of radiation-hardened integrated circuits for European space missions, but not only. And it's only saying hard to talk on this topic for 4 minutes because there are many aspects we need to talk on: science aspect, business aspect, and so on. But I will try to do my best. So first of all, our company was founded in 1962. It was state factory, and since 2002, it's a completely private-owned company. Our experience and expertise in the field of analog and analog to digital technology based on bipolar and BiFET complementarity. We have more than 60 years of experience in design and production of radiation-hardened and high reliability integrated circuits. Main our business is commercial and industrial integrated circuits, but as we have past heritage in Soviet space programs, we are using it for our Latvian independent space program. And up to now we have 6 contracts signed with ESA. 5 of them were successfully finished. One is running now. We have all this time developed 3 new integrated circuits. One integrated circuit is already qualified and is entered into the European Party Preferred list. 2 integrated circuits are under the qualification. And so with the help with ESA, we went from an idea to market-ready product. Stephen earlier talked about this possibility to use European Space Agency schemes, so from the preparatory activity to research and development and flight segment activities. It's what our company, we were using European Space Agency funds. If we talk about the radiation, so our planet is really small in the universe, and our star sun wants to burn us. And we have solar winds, radiation belts, and cosmic rays, and everything we send into the space need to be protected. We are producing integrated circuit parts that are radiation hardened by design, and we test them using our partners. So we test for single event effect and for total ionizing dose. For a single event, we are using facility in Belgium, cyclotron that imitates single event effects. For TID, we're using our partner in France to test for the gamma radiation. We're using the gamma sources, and those are the parts that we have developed with the help of European Space Agency. Those are 4 parts. It's quad population amplifier. That was the first one, and it is right now, so as you can see CC sign there, it is 300 kelrad radiation hardened, and it is entered in the European Part Preferred list. The next one, it's quad comparator. It's currently being qualified. It was tested for TAD 2 years ago, and operational amplifier 108 was developed specially for teleslinear space. We talked with them previously. Some test batch was developed, sent to them, and they're using it quite well. And multi-standard 1550 transceiver is the next project we're doing with teleslinear space Belgium. It will be the unique multi-standard 1550C transceiver that is available from European source, because we are also working on such field of European non-dependency. Most of our parts, they have some substitution from USA, but for Europe it's very important to have our own European sources for those parts, and it is what we are doing. Yes, and those are my contacts. It was really fast talking on a really hard topic. Yeah. I hope.
Thank you, Lev. Very well. Questions? Any questions, Timo?
I would like to comment in a higher level. As you all know, sustainability is part of my heart already. But plenty of presentation today talk about sustainability. And I was missing the part that you are somehow like modest with that part. So you should be proudly saying that how much you are able to improve quality of life of people on Earth, for example.
Yeah.
And
Somehow, that's overall thing about all the teams. It's not that visible, although they are executing in that front.
Yeah. Thank you, Timo, for a nice comment.
Are there any export laws in Europe? Can you export this outside, or can this be used only inside Europe?
those parts are not dual-use parts, even they are radiation hardened, because these are what we are doing. It's very basic parts, especially comparators and operational amplifiers. And yes, we have partners in India that we are exporting there without no license. We have permit to export without no license. Maybe this 1556 transceiver that's currently developed, we will be negotiating with the export control if it needs an export license. So basically not, because we are providing like nails to build a house. Those are really, it's not a processors or microprocessors or
Yeah, but there are special nails.
yeah, but according to ITAR, it could be, but it could be dual use. But according to European, so it is. You need to license if it is more than a 500 kilohertz radiation hardened. So our parts are 100 kilohertz, and if you go up to 500, you don't need. It's not dual use item.
Very good. Very deep tech nails. Thank you. Thank you. More question? Elad? Yeah, you can call him later.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Lev.
Thank you.
Round of applause to you. Thank you.